So this is the Conway Countryman 2017 model that we've got in stock. It's just a bit of a quick quality check and a few demonstrating a couple of the features in it just for a customer, but it's a good resource for everyone to have a look at these. So just a quick look at the canvas first. Like I said, it's a 2017 model, but it's got Isabella branded acrylic canvas on it. Not really a mark on it, to be honest. Just have a look around this side. A quick look at the roof. No holes, no rips, no tears, no marks. Go around this side. You can see around the back of the trailer as well. So it's all nice, clean and tidy. Big view of the back. Rear window, and you can see the storage locker there as well. I'll take a quick look in it and we'll turn a few things on and show that they work. So we have got some LED light strips in here that we fit just for having in the showroom, but once you're plugged into mains or on a leisure battery with this, you've got one internal light fitting, all working. I can't demonstrate the gas because I'm inside the showroom, but all your gas cookers working. You've got the hob and you've got the grill under there as well. These are all double checked on your pre-delivery inspection and covered under warranty. Whenever we do work on them, it's by a gas safe certified engineer. Got running water. It's not plumbed in at the moment, but again, it's all double checked before collection and covered under warranty. That's all nice and clean and tidy, hardly been used. You've got various different outlets in the trailer, various different 3-pin and 12-volt sockets, all working. Got one demonstrated working here. I've got one of the phones plugged in, and as you can see, a little red light, you can't really see it on there, well, that is charging. There you go, all plugged in and charging, so your electrics are working. You've got heating in here as well, and that should be turned on. We'll double check it. Don't know if you can hear it on the video, but that's running and putting heat out. You've also got your fridge. It's a Dometic fridge again. Double checked it's all in working order before you receive it, and it should be working. So we'll just open it up. It's all nice and clean, and then I'll turn it on to mains. There you go, all working. You can just, I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but the thermostat's just kicked in, so that'll start cooling down. So turn that back off. Also got all the original upholstery in here. It's all nice and clean and tidy. I'll try and give you a better shot of just these cushions. No marks, no rips, no tears. Posh Pennine cushion for you. Same on this side. All nice and clean and tidy. Original mattress covers again, spotless. All your liners, all nice and white and clean. You've got the table in there as well, that comes with it, and of course it doubles up as a bed space in here, and again, all clean. So I'll go back out and I'll just give you another shot of what it looks like set up. And there you go. And of course it does come with a full awning, all checked by myself, and the awning's in exactly the same condition as the cabin is. There you go.